What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. So, if you like hearing about the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shib, Leash, Bone, Sheep, the stablecoin, Treat, the upcoming reward token, the NFT collection Shiboshis, then you are in the right place. Once again, I go by Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. The project I'm gonna cover though is an official partner of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including the official artificial intelligence program AI for Shibarium. Okay, this is the official AI partner with Shibarium. What is Shibarium? Shibarium is the Shiba Inu Layer 2 blockchain that's slated to be released either in parts or the hackathon to be released in August. Okay, so BadIdea has been exploding, and right now it actually surpassed 10,000 holders. So, congratulations to the Bad Brigade, congratulations to BadIdea, the whole team, development team, the marketing, the idea as a whole, because it really has come together. It has gone viral. It is going viral. It is exploding. The market cap just keeps improving, just keeps going up. So, with that said, we're going to go ahead and check the Ether scan. We're going to check the chart a little bit. In the background, I have the white paper. If you haven't read the white paper, I suggest you do read it. If you haven't or don't like to read, I actually already read it for you. That's right. Get that alpha from your boy, Crypto Marxist. So I'm going to go ahead and link it on top. I know sometimes I say that, but I'm going to actually go out of my way to do it this time. It's at 152. So I'll keep that in mind. So go ahead and go through that video, understand what the project is about, what the goals are, what problems it solves, and how it creates utility for itself. And it's just at the beginning, just like most AI programs and companies, projects, corporations, etc. With that said, let's go ahead and get into the coin market cap. What's it looking like? So it is right now just shot up at 1787. So up 32.59% over the day. So the market cap is at 95,588,546, currently ranked in coin market cap at number 248. The volume over the past 24 hours is up over 100% at 117.55% at 10,045,142, ranking it at number 160. So when you have the volume outpacing the market cap, what that means is that the market cap is actually lagging behind and will eventually catch up to the volume. So keep that in mind. Whatever number 160 is, there is a potential that we will meet that market cap. Okay, just a little something for you guys. The circulating supply sits at 534,961,968,899,750 bad idea AI tokens. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, so with that said, the fully diluted market cap, okay, is at 148,503,824. Okay, almost at 150 million. In fact, it might even be at 150 million by the end of this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out real quick. So with that said, what is the chart looking like on the 5-minute? Okay, so the 5-minute, let's go ahead, because see, all this broke up. In fact, I haven't even gone over checking out what it did. And you know what? Before I get there, I'm lagging, people. I'm sorry. Here, so actually before that, this was the last one right here. So it is, we are currently at 10,008. Here, do we need to refresh that? Why isn't the percentage there? Should be there. But regardless, over 10,000 holders. I believe that's over 10% over one day. So it increased over 1,000 holders over one day. So I don't know what's going on with this thing right here. Let's go ahead and close that out. But with that said, let's also check. Oh, snap. Did that just, yeah, it did. The disrespect of this program sometimes, man. Honestly, I got some complaints about it. All right, here, let's go back to the chart, though. Let's go back to the chart because the chart is about to take off. Like I'm telling you guys, we're about to witness this. So it's at 1792. I just told you guys what it was at, right? So this right here is about to go up as well on coin market cap. But what I wanted to show you and what the point of this video was that the holders are currently at 10,000. Here, let me check something. Let me try to do something real quick. Let's see if this works. Because that's what it was at before. Okay, so right now it says that the site is undergoing maintenance. So there's some kind of update happening with Etherscan, but I had this saved. So actually this, and if you look at this was when it was at 147 million. It's at 148 million, I believe. So 10,000 holders though. That's nothing to scoff at. Okay, let's go ahead and check out what BadIdea is talking about. And this is another thing a couple of the people that follow me have been talking about, and that is the bad staking pool. If you are a part of the BadIdea bad brigade, go ahead and check out Mars Swap DeFi platform, because I have mixed feelings on staking, but if they're being promoted by BadIdea being pinned, that's something to keep in mind, guys. All right, so the power of community. Oh, and they actually posted the 10,000. I was trying to get the 10,000. I wasn't able to though. I got 10,008. But regardless, though, it doesn't even matter. So another thing too, they have BadIdea AI in Spanish. Okay, so already bridging that. All right, so what does that sound like? It sounds like el token bad, you know, at BadIdea, something like that. So it's pretty dope, though. I have to admit. So I like the outreach. I like that this collaboration, BadIdea AI, is now fully integrated into Trust Wallet. Okay, fully integrated into Trust Wallet. So they're not messing around. And also, they were on stock twits. Once you start reaching stock twits, though, honestly, this is gonna start going parabolic. And this was when about the time that it was at its previous all-time high. Because like I keep telling you guys, this goes from all-time high to all-time high, all-time high after all-time high. So of course, this is not financial advice, but this is me telling you to go ahead and check out BadIdea, see what it's about, see if you like it, see if you like the concept. All right, because right now I'm gonna tell you, it's looking like it's forming a W wedge. So let's see. You know what? What's this at? I like the 15-minute. Whew, it's going crazy, right? It's about to go crazy. So here, let's actually check out what's the hour. See if I can do. I can't even do analysis on this right now. It's going so crazy. Look at this. It doesn't even look real. Honestly, this doesn't even look real. So hold up. Seeing it's probably Dex Tools though, because Dex Tools is always tripping. And I didn't even give you guys the vitals on Dex Tools. So let's go ahead and check the vitals on Dex Tools real quick, and then we'll check the vitals of the project on CoinGecko's terminal. All right. So it's saying that the total liquidity is at $3.11 million, market cap 89 million point 41. So 89.41 million. The total market cap sitting at $147.80 million. We're talking about a play that was under $100 million about a day and a half ago. Why is this not sharing? It's pissing me off. All right, cool. Here it is. So here is what the chart looks like for the 1 hour. Of course, this cannot be, it's not accurate. So let's go ahead and check out. So that's what the vitals show on Dex Tools. I actually trust the terminal because their API is definitely way more accurate. And if we look at the 15-minute chart, sure enough, yes, it does look way better. We can actually try to do some TA on this because the other one was looking crazy. So let's go ahead and see what we got over here. Let's see what we got over here. All right. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just me letting you know that this play is going on, and I want to make sure that my community, the Bone Army, is definitely in tune with what's going on with Shibarium. I don't want you guys to miss these plays, okay? And of course, this is not financial advice, but what I am saying is be aware of what's going on, because if you don't focus on what's going on, then what happens is you miss it and you find out when it's too late. Here, let's come over here. So let's see what the vitals are over here. So the vitals is saying that the liquidity is at $3.12 million. Market cap is at $89.74 million. And the fully diluted valuation is at $148.35 million right now. Okay, this is not financial advice, but I definitely am telling you, keep an eye on this one. Don't fade it. Okay. If you fade this one, I mean, it's at your own peril, honestly, because I brought this to you guys at 7 million. I made a video about this at 11 million. And right now you guys see what's happening. So if you guys aren't rocking with that information, there isn't really much I can tell you, because the fact is, this is the opportunity that a lot of people need to take advantage of, in my honest opinion. So, of course, not financial advice. And here, let's do one more before, just because. Oh, damn, is this? Let me see. Yeah, it is. And I'm sorry, I didn't want this to go long. The whole point of this video was for us to check out the chart on Etherscan. I forgot that there is no chart on Etherscan because also it's glitchy. But what I did want to say is that um, even though there is no chart, the number is right there. And just to double check it, there it is. We're sitting at 10,000. This, by the way, is more. It might even be 11,000 by now, honestly, because it's going crazy. Right now, it's just retracing. It's only retracing because this thing is going so parabolic, okay? The buy pressure. And I'm going to tell you this right now. Here, I wanted to make that. I'm going to tell you this right now. The buy pressure is going to keep going parabolic on this one. Because, first of all, a lot of people don't even know that this play exists. A lot of people don't even know this play exists. Like I told you guys, if you are lucky enough to get Shiba Inu at the prices it's at right now, and you do it correctly, you hold, and I'm talking about hold for generational wealth. Okay, I'm not talking about a pump and dump. These right here are the pump and dump plays that you need to try to, if you want a pump and you want to dump, not that this will pump and dump. I'm saying let it pump and then you can dump your back. This one right here is one. But personally, because it's so early, I really don't understand why anyone would get rid of their bags right now, unless they're trying to move it somewhere because they're trying to accumulate more within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Because if you're trying to do it outside the Shiba Inu ecosystem, it's going to be a painful journey for you. Okay, take advantage of what's happening right now. We've been waiting for this moment for over 2 years. Okay, Shibarium, to even if Shibarium doesn't drop, this is what I will say. If Shibarium doesn't drop, Bone and Shib might tank. I don't see BadIdea tanking too much though. Like if it tanks, it's because people are selling within, right? But it's the amount of trust that people will have with BadIdea AI, understanding that it is an AI bot for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay, how much will that generate the Shiba Inu, the Shibarium ecosystem, just in valuation, in terms of what companies will want to get affiliated with that or will do partnerships with that? Because something that I discovered was that BadIdea is actually composed of 3 companies, or 3 people, that 3 based individuals from 3 different companies came together to form BadIdea. Okay. And if you've seen what's happened with Saitoshi Kusama, with Ryoshi, you know that they really are talent hounds. They try to find the best. You guys see what happened with unification. Unification basically helped build the Shibarium blockchain. Okay, so with that said, if you are a Bad Brigade soldier, if you want me to do a live, or if you are a Bone Army, Shib Army, and you want me to do a live, go ahead and hashtag live. If I get a live within the next hour, I'll do a live. If not, I'm probably going to enjoy the rest of my Saturday. But I did want to put this in your vision. Right now, it is most likely on pace to hit an all-time high within the next 4 hours, is my prognostication. In fact, let's go ahead and check the 4 hour chart just so you guys can see that when it comes to the 4 hour chart, it has one big red down candle, at most two, and then it starts going crazy. So this was the biggest dip, and it was actually more sideways trading if you saw this. But this one, I said two, this one has four. But if you go back, other than that, look at that. Three right there. Other than that, yeah. So the three men, right? What they call it. There's a term for that in chart reading when there's three like that. But look, boom. After this, boom. Green, green, red. No, green, 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 red. Green, 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 red. Green, red. Green, green, green. Red, red, green, red, green, and this is the down. Red, 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 red. After this one, the only double candle just happened. Just happened. So here it is. It went green, 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 red. Three green candles, one red. Green, 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 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles. Okay. Then here we have the retrace. Went up. The retrace, red, red, but we have the green right here. And if you see right now, this is actually a point of resistance on the 4 hour chart. So if it actually breaks this, it's most likely going to go parabolic again. So let's go ahead and go back to the 50. I like the 15-minute, and I like to shrink it up like this because I feel like it gives me a more accurate view of where it's at. See, because right now, if it was just a 15-minute chart, we couldn't see that right now it just broke resistance. But on the 15-minute chart, it's at 1810. Okay, 1810. Oh, actually, so this is at 1815. So it retraced. So it's actually 5 Satoshi units away from breaking that resistance. If it breaks that resistance, it might actually surpass this, reaching this level right here. I can already tell it'd be this. What level is this? It'd be close to the 1900 level. It'd be at about the 1800 level. So let me go ahead and just quickly check one last thing before I leave, after telling you guys that BadIdea reached 10,000 holders. Okay, that's a very big accomplishment when it comes to projects. Okay, when it comes to projects, it's a very big. So it's looking like right now it actually could go down to the 1600 level. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. 1663, just so you guys get a full understanding of where we're at. Okay, I want you guys to understand this. Okay, about here. Okay, so it's gonna trade, it could trade within these ranges. It could, because it's so crazy. If you look at the buys, 4,300 buys to 1,300 buys. So it's been at about a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, up to 5-to-1 in some of these parabolic movements. Okay, so it's still way more buys coming in than sells. And I can tell you, when this happens, a lot of people sell and then they buy in at a higher price. Because look, I actually wasn't home. Okay, like I told you guys last video, I actually recorded it and I posted it. So I wasn't home when it aired. But so when all this happened, I posted my video here, around here. It went up, and then look at this. Absolute tank. It tanked all the way down to almost the 1200 level, to the 1324 level. So look at this. That's a huge drop. Okay, and then it absolutely just rebounded. Okay, so look, when you have huge profit being taken and then being bought back in, you see what's going on. So I missed this, and I also missed this wedge. So you can see this wedge. I mean, let me just, I know I keep saying I'm a, you know what I mean, but this is, I guess, the situation. I want you guys to understand what's going on too, though. Okay, so here you have this wedge Bob at that same level, the 16 level. Look, and when it came over here, it was on this as a resistance, came to this point, this wedge, and actually shot up. Then it's actually creating a bullish wedge right now. This is a bullish flag that should shoot up. If it does shoot back down, it'll probably shoot down one more time before it explodes back up. And I don't even think it'll shoot that much. It'll shoot down to maybe 1750, maybe 17 before it actually goes up. There's too much buy pressure going on right now. So with that said, I'm sorry that I'm so long-winded. If you guys made it this far, go ahead and hit that like. Go ahead and hit that sub if you're new to my channel. If you like Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shib, Leash, Bone, the Shiboshis, Shi, Treat, all that good stuff. If you like the partnerships, want me to cover more on the partnerships, I try to cover as much as possible. It's just so much. I feel like I would be a full-time Shiba Inu content creator if I just cover everything from wellies to unification, and I have covered those. Okay, so actually go back in my video. I'm gonna make sure that I make some of the riskier plays that aren't related to the Shiba Inu ecosystem private, so none of you accidentally picks up on any of those plays, because I want you guys to focus on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, like BadIdea AI, which right now is on it's on pace to probably within the next 4 hours, based on what I'm seeing, is most likely going to break its all-time high again. Okay, that's what I'm seeing right now. So with that said, Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, I'm Bone Army, you're Bone Army, we are Bone Army. If you got any value, you know what to do. And if you want me to do a live, go ahead and hit hashtag live in the comments. Okay, I'll give it maybe I'll give it 2 hours. If I get maybe two comments, I'll go ahead and do a live. If not, like I said, enjoy the rest of your weekend and the rest of your Saturday. I most likely will do a content tomorrow anyways, because I want to keep you guys informed on this one in particular. So with that, I'm out.